Hey there, this week I'm going to tell you how to do Amb Tomaquet like anywhere. Basically, this is like aimed at people who want to explore video, which I made last week. I used this quite a lot when I was in Spain, like going out, let's say for a picnic somewhere. This is a great recipe to actually do that. Buonissimo. Come shop. And here I am in the great outdoors, and I'm going to show you how. What you basically need is obviously you'll have your dry bread or your toasted bread. You'll have like a little bit of olive oil. I use these like special like containers, which are used mainly for cosmetics, but are brilliant to like take around anywhere, especially for clinics. And that's like a little small box which I actually have my trusty garlic in it, my tasty tomatoes, which are obviously a little bit covered in the salt, but like, you know, that's it. That's just quick and easy. It's rough and ready, and basically it will do you for whatever. So like what you need: a very small knife, I've got a Swiss Army knife, foil to not only like wrap the bread up in, but also for the dressing, the serviette. So let's get on to the first part. Obviously chop up the garlic, or better said, actually chop it in half. So I'm going to chop this half right now. There we go. Pretty easy. And then put that back in the box. And then actually like rub the bread. It's pretty simple. This is what we do. Okay, so we're rubbing the bread quite hard, and also I'm using the outsides of the bread to actually make it a bit more potent, a bit more stronger, and I'm cupping the bread as well, and actually like making that like middle rub. The next thing we need to do is we put that down, and then we start to like cut my tomatoes. So I said we need to be nearly going off. So here I am. I'm going to chop down the middle part of the tomato. So there we are, and we can see that it's actually quite soft. And then like cup the bread. Basically we rub it in, leaving as much of the skin as we can. Basically the more the merrier. Now that is really juicy. That's crazy. Then we take away the skin. Okay. So basically the skin's anything which you cannot take away. Look at that. That's just marvellous. Then we're going to be adding on the olive oil. Pat it down a little bit using the, as we can see on here, there's some olive oil coming off. Then last but not least is we actually add on the salt, which we do here. This is tremendous. There's like there's some interesting facts behind Amb Tomaquet. So back in 1884, there was a guy called Mr. Lujan, and he basically wrote about it. They had like a big surplus of tomatoes, a lot of dry bread, and of course that is what this is. It's simply a way to resuscitate dry bread using which actually are going off, as we got here, obviously the tomatoes. We were actually like let's say destroying or breaking down, and also as well it's tomatoes which are like kind of like going off or near going off. The reuse of them plus like the bread which is going off or stout. There's actually a book literally about Amb Tomaquet. It is by a guy called Leopold Pomas, and there's 72 recipes just literally about this great idea. So anyway, like hopefully you've enjoyed it, and you can see that basically you can make it anywhere, and you can take it on picnics, etc. And yeah, enjoy. It's a really, really good snack. Buonissimo. Come shop.